Hey guys, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I'm gonna do this video. This is gonna be testing. I know it's like middle of winter, but we gotta test, and we're gonna test with water. All right, I'm gonna fill this vent stack up over here. And let's fill this one up right here. All right, guys. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. This is testing day today, and I'll show you the stuff I'm testing, guys. All right. Have a good day. All right, guys. This is what I'm gonna be filling from. Yeah, it ties in over here. Goes down right over there. All of this. Also including this right here, the fourth floor, and the lower floors are all ties in together. I'll show you guys that. Alright guys, this is what I'm testing here. Got my clean seal. Testing all of these right here. Clean seal, guys. Alright, guys, a little bit of testing here. The laundry over here. Alright, guys, like I said, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about testing? Like, test the plumbing system. All part of the code. Alright, guys, we get the water going here. Filling up. Filling up. Side of the building. Alright, guys, we're filling. Alright, water's to the top. Perfect. Alright, guys, have a good day.